In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Base44. Whether you're setting up your first website or you're just looking to improve your online presence, this process is essential for ensuring your domain points to the correct servers, allowing your website to go live smoothly. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to log into your GoDaddy account. Open your Chrome browser and go to the GoDaddy website. Once there, click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner. Enter your login details, your username and password, and hit Login. If you've set up two-step verification, don't forget to complete that as well. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your account dashboard. Next, navigate to the DNS settings of your domain. Start by locating the domain section on your dashboard. All your purchased domains will be listed here. Click on the domain name you wish to connect to Base44. This will lead you to the domain settings page. On this page, find and click on Manage DNS to access the DNS settings. This step is crucial because this is where you'll update your records to direct them to Base44. Now it's time to gather the necessary details from Base44. Go to your Base44 dashboard in a new tab or window. Here, you should find the domain connection details typically in the form of CNAME or a record. Copy these records carefully. They are the key pointers directing your domain to the Base44 servers. Once you have the Base44 information, return to the DNS settings in GoDaddy. Look for available DNS record types, such as A records or CNAME. Depending on the details you've copied, you may need to either add a new record or update an existing one. To do this, click Add to create a new record or Edit if you're adjusting an existing one. Enter the necessary information, including host, points to, and TTL settings. Ensure every detail is perfectly accurate. Even a small typo can lead to connectivity issues. After you've made your changes, remember to save them. There's usually a Save button or option somewhere near the top or bottom of the page in GoDaddy's interface. Clicking this finalizes your DNS changes. Now it's just a matter of waiting for DNS propagation, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 24 hours. This is the time it takes for these changes to spread across the internet. Finally, it's time to verify the connection in Base44. Head back to your Base44 dashboard and look for the verification option. This might be labeled as Verify Connection or similar. If everything has been set up correctly, the verification will succeed. Have some patience during this stage, as DNS propagation needs to complete. Once verified, you can go ahead and publish your site, making it live and accessible to your audience. And there you go! You've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to Base44, paving the way for your website to shine on the internet.